Infragaz. As you can see, this is a radiant ceramic heater for outdoor users. This heater works with natural gas. As you can see, there are two panels. One panel is seated on the left, one panel is seated on the right. There are 20 ceramic panels on this heater. It has a very strong heating system. There are two burners on the heater. One burner is on this side, the other one is on this side. What makes this heater different is it has a remote control. You can set the temperature of this heater with this remote control easily. You can set heating up, you can set heating down, and this is time set for this heating, so you can program this heater anytime to turn on. If you want to turn on this heater, you can push this button. This is the red button. So where you can use this heater? For restaurant, for cafeteria, for indoor, outdoor, for factory, for commercial, and much more. It has a very wide heating area. This heater can be used anywhere. So if you want to buy this heater, please go to www.infragaz.com.tr. Thank you for watching.